In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize File Explorer in Windows 11. So the first thing you can do is select what view you would like to have at the File Explorer. So you do this down here on the right, where you can see if you press this left bit, it says displays information about each item in the window. So as you can see, it will display the modified date, the type of the document, and the size of the documents. As you can see, these are just empty documents I made for this tutorial, and that's why they are 0 kilobytes. Now, you can also switch to this, which is displays items by using large thumbnails. Okay, and when you press this, you will only see large thumbnails, but that's then up to preference how you want to see it. Okay, then you can also click details up here, where you will see the details about the different folders, the different items inside this folder. And if you click on one document, you will see all the details about this document. Okay, it says when it was created, when it was last saved, the last date of access, the content type, and stuff like that. Now, the next thing you want to do, you can customize, is this sort up here. If you press the sort, you can sort by name, which will sort the items by name, by date modified, which will sort them by date modified, by type, which will basically sort it by the file type, or you can even sort it by size, date created, others, categories, tags, and title. You can also make it in a descending or ascending order up here, and you can also make them group by different parameters that you can see over here on the screen. Okay, that's the first thing you can do. The second one is, of course, you can cut the document or the file up here, you can copy it, you can rename it, you can share it, or delete it. These are all options you have. Then, if you click View over here, you will see that you can see different things. You can view with extra large icons, which are very, very big, as you can see. You can view with large icons, which are the default down here. And then with medium icons, we also have small icons. We have a list. Then we have details, which is this one over here. And then we have tiles. Okay, as you can see. And we have content. That's also an option. And yeah, you can select over here whether you want to show the details pane or the preview pane over here. Okay, so these are the two options. As you can see, the preview pane is this one, but it's an empty Word document, so there's nothing to preview right now. Okay, now I'm going to put this back to large icons. You can also click over here where it says show, and then you can select how you want it to show. So you can select if you want to show the navigation pane, if you want a compact view, which will basically shrink everything here on the left. Okay, and then you can select if you want to show the item checkboxes. So these are the checkboxes, so you can see when you've selected a specific item over here. And then you can select, just a second over here, there we go. And then you can select if you want to see file name extensions. As you can see, I have this enabled. If you disable this, you will only see the names of the documents as they stand. Now I like this enabled myself, so I'm going to put it back. There we go. And then you can also check if you want to see the hidden items. And if you check this, some items may be hidden in your folders, usually not in the downloads folder, but more in the document folders and stuff like that. You may have some items that are basically hidden, and you will be able to see those hidden items if you uncheck this. Okay, and that's pretty much it when it comes to this part. Now you have these three dots up here on the right, which says see more. You can click this, and as you can see, you can pin this current folder to quick access, which will make it accessible here on the left. Okay, it's already over here. As you can see, the downloads folder is pinned, so I can do it again since it's pinned already. You can also make it select all, you can make it select none, and you can make it invert selection. Okay, and then you can go to properties, and in here you can see it there's different attributes which can be read only or hidden. That's not really that important, but you can go to options as well, and here's a bit more things to do. Now, as you can see, under browse folders, again, first thing, it's open File Explorer 2, and then it says home or this PC. So once you run up File Explorer, it will open to either home or this PC. You can select what you want it to open to. Then you can select under browse folders if you want to open each folder in the same window or in its own window. Okay, so that's also something you can do. You can click items as follows. So you can use single click to open an item. So simply point over it to select, and then one click and it will open up, or double click to open an item, which is standard. Then under privacy, you can select if you want to show recently used files, frequently used folders, and show files from office.com. And then you can also select to clear the Explorer history if you want to, and restore defaults, of course. Then under the view, over here, as you can see, you can do multiple things, okay? You can apply this view to all the folders, or you can even reset folders, and then you have some different parameters down here, okay? As you can see, you can always show icons, never thumbnails, decrease space between items, display file icon on thumbnails, and stuff like that. You can read this through. It's very it's very self-explanatory what it does and what they do. And you can also restore defaults here over here as well. And if you go to search up here, it's how to search. Don't use the index when searching the file folders for system files. And then when searching non-indexed locations, include system directories and include compressed files, etc. That's more for the higher end things, and you don't really have to mess with this in case you really want it to be the way it says over here. And if you press X over here, that's pretty much it. That's all the customization the File Explorer in Windows 11 allows. You can change its color by changing the theme inside Windows. I have Windows in dark theme, and that's why it's dark. That's why this window is black. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and that's how you customize File Explorer in Windows 11.